Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel done, and I am greatly appreciative. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. That'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is an absolutely perfect product to protect your Google Pixel 9 Pro cell phone. So this was sent over by a company called SMARTDEVIL, and it is a tempered glass screen protector that is incredibly easy to install and doesn't get any of those bubbles or weird angles or anything like that. It's super, super easy to install. So what do you get once you open it up? First off, you are going to get a quick install guide and instructions. We're covering all the features right here in the video. It's going to come with 3 protectors. So if you do happen to screw up, you're covered. Or if you have multiple phones, you're good to go. So step 1 essentially is going to be cleaning your phone and prepping it. So it's going to include these little pouches here. Inside each pouch is a cleansing wipe. So you're going to clean down your phone, go ahead and remove the case, all that stuff. Then you're going to have a dry wipe. So go ahead and then dry off what you just cleaned. And if you have any little specks of dust, there's a little sticker in there that's going to go ahead and press that down on the dust, and it's going to collect it. Once your phone is prepped, this is where it gets super, super easy. You're going to get these tempered glass kind of films here. Once again, easy to utilize. They have these little lead guides. You're going to go ahead and place it on the device itself, which is this little tray here, which is designed specifically for your Google Pixel Pro phone. Simply press it on here, and with the screen facing down, and then you're going to pull the tab. As you're pulling the tab, it's going to go ahead and apply that tempered glass protector right on your phone without the bubbles. It's going to be perfectly lined up, so you're not going to get crooked at the bottom or anything like that. Super, super easy to use, one-step process essentially. And it just comes with this nice little tray, and then if you want to just, you have your spares, you can go ahead and put this and then go ahead and put it back in the case, put it on a shelf, etc. Now, one of the nice things about these, because they are made out of tempered glass instead of some cheap plastic, they're not going to yellow over time or anything like that. They're rated up to 140 pounds of hardness, which is absolutely great. And it has rated up to an 8-foot drop, which is also another great thing aspect to it. Now, if you do utilize a fingerprint as far as unlocking your phone or any apps or anything like that, you should go ahead, remove your old fingerprint, and then re-register it, because now you have another layer between there. It works well with the fingerprint, so you don't have anything like that. You just need to re-register it, and you're good to go. As far as responsive time, as far as selecting, swiping, all that stuff, it's just like when you got your phone without the protective screen on it, so it works really, really well as for that aspect of it. Now, it also does include, you're only going to get one of these, but it does also include a nice little tempered glass part for your camera lenses on the back itself. So you can go ahead and peel this, line it up, and put it on to protect your lenses as you wish as well. But overall, it works very, very well. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a great screen protector, works with all the cases out there because it's only covering the screen. This one's totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comments section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.